SSE Airtricity's A Common Goal programme is a fantastic initiative to be part of, and Sligo Rovers have done an amazing job to date. Some of the upgrades we've made here at Sligo Rovers is LED lighting in the clubhouse and around the club grounds, and also the waste management facilities with their recyclable and general waste.
So as part of the Common Goal strategy within the club here, we developed a community within the club, working closely with Sligo County Council and indeed Sligo Tidy Towns. We undertook numerous initiatives in the club, such as looking at ways of expanding our recycling bank facility here on the ground. We conducted litter picks within the local community, and we also developed a sustainability strategy.
Our independent judging panel were very impressed with Sligo Rovers' commitment to making greener choices that benefit their environment through the initiation of their sustainability strategy. And for this, they were awarded a retrofit to the value of €25,000 for their clubhouse. These energy upgrades will help Sligo Rovers become a more energy efficient club by helping to reduce their carbon footprint. Sligo Rovers have been a pleasure to collaborate with throughout the process, and it's fantastic to see it come to life today.